Can my beautiful assistant Brittany kindly throw 3 minutes on the timer? Thank you, Brittany. 2022 beard tip number 1. Now, when it comes to food, you're going to have to rely on good old knife and fork, just like the Lakers relied on Shaq and Kobe. R.I.P. Mamba. A subscriber actually mentioned this in my comments, and I was like, damn, this is a game changer right here. Now, here is a bit of a warning. You're gonna look kind of lame eating fried chicken and burgers with a knife and fork. But on the other side, you're gonna look even lamer with all these damn crusts and food particles in your beard. So pick your poison wisely. Number 2, get rid of those bad habits early in your beard journey. Now, once you pass that 5 o'clock shadow and that stubble phase, you're gonna have the urge to stroke and pull and tug on your beard whenever you're just chilling or you're reading or you're just kind of relaxing. Your natural urge is to want to just manipulate and play with your beard. This is one of the worst things you can do for your beard. This bad habit could negatively affect the way that your beard grows, so you want to nip this bad habit in the butt as soon as you're aware of it. How do I know this one? Because I am super guilty of it myself. I still got parts of where my beard connects to my mustache where it's patchy because I used to tug on that ish way too much. So I'm kind of more conscious about it now. I'm just trying to help you guys out. Don't do the tugging, stroking, and just keep your hands off your face just to keep it safe, all right? And number 3, winter beards versus summer beards. Now, in the winter, you really want to double up on the protection of your beard. Otherwise, it's going to end up dry, brittle, and overall dusty looking. And if you remember my last video, we're trying to make sure there ain't no dustiness in 2022. So once you hit outside in those winter months, that cold air, as soon as it hits your face, it's robbing your beard of its moisture every second you're outside. So how do we battle this? Easy. Co-wash, beard butter, beard oil. Minimum 3 times a week, especially if you're a shaker and a mover and you're on the go and you out in these streets. 3 times minimum. Now, conversely, if we're talking about those spring and summer warmer months, you can get away with washing your beard once a week and just throwing on a beard balm just to start off your day. Now, I have no idea if this is under 3 minutes or not. If it isn't, I blame Brittany. She fell asleep over there. Let me go see what's up with her. But thank you for watching. That was 3 beard tips, 3 more beard tips in 2022. This is the Bearded Hefner. Stay tuned for the next video. Guys, I am out. Peace.